Did you know that a single day on Mercury lasts longer than its entire year? Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury rotates so slowly on its axis that it takes 176 Earth days for one full sunrise to sunrise cycle, while it completes a full orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. This tiny rocky world has no atmosphere to trap heat, which causes extreme temperature swings between day and night, ranging from 430 degrees Celsius to minus 180 degrees Celsius. Its heavily cratered surface resembles the Moon's, scarred by ancient impacts that date back billions of years. Mercury's iron-rich core makes up about 85% of its volume, giving it the highest density of any planet in the solar system. Interestingly, despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has water ice hidden in shadowed craters near its poles, permanently shielded from sunlight. It's a planet of scorching days, frozen nights, and cosmic contradictions.